Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear class fellows, good morning. Today, I would like to speak about my topic knowledge is power. The power that can transform all your spheres of life and activity is what we call knowledge. If you gain knowledge, you have the power that stays throughout your life. Respected sir, the proverb knowledge is power was given by Sir Francis Bacon. In all our good and bad times, knowledge is a right companion to understand the difference between them. Dear fellows, if you want to be a real winner in your life, you need to gain an excess amount of knowledge. In a stressful situation, people with knowledge have the power to deal with the situation. Knowledge is the light over the darkness of literacy which guide us to right path. Respected audience, the difference between a human and animal is the power of knowledge. We can control nature and enjoy benefits with the help of knowledge. But we must use knowledge efficiently. Thanks for hearing.